There might be instances where you want to find out how much clearance there is between two components. To find this out, you can use the dynamic clearance option. Once activated, you'll be prompted to select two components to analyze. Notice we're talking about components here, not faces or edges or points, only components. This is important because if I want to know the minimum distance between the end of the arm and the web, dynamic clearance will not tell me because it would look at the entire part and find that the minimum distance is 0, right here where the arm connects to the bracket. Instead, let's measure the dynamic clearance between the arm and the base plate. To continue rotating the arm, I click Resume Drag, and now you can see the minimum clearance displayed in the graphics area as well as in the Property Manager. The number you see displayed in brackets right over here is the absolute minimum after I've rotated the arm all the way around. Collision detection is sure to help you design better mechanisms. In the following exercise, you'll see a practical application of the collision detection and how it can be used to validate your designs.